Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Blissbird Retro Bluetooth Speaker, 50-watt, portable home speakers with deep bass. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Stereo sound. The Retro Bluetooth wireless speaker have reasonable acoustic characteristics, sound quality is layered, the bass is strong and booming, the midrange is full and real, the treble is clear and loud. Whether you're hosting a party or relaxing at home, Blissbird X3 Bluetooth speaker could provide you an unforgettable listening experience. Retro style. This retro Bluetooth speaker combines retro charm with a modern aesthetic, making it a perfect addition to your home or office decor. Its mid-century modern design effortlessly complements your furniture, bookshelf, or desktop, adding a stylish touch to any space. Whether you're looking to enhance your living room, workspace, or bedroom, this speaker fits seamlessly into your surroundings. It's also a thoughtful gift for family and friends, offering both functional sound quality and timeless style. Bluetooth connection. Our Bluetooth speaker ensures a stable and seamless connection with your devices, providing you with uninterrupted music playback. With a range of up to 33 feet, you can freely move around without worrying about losing connection. Built-in AUX. The Bluetooth speaker features a built-in 3.5mm AUX input so you can easily play tunes from your turntable, CD, or MP3 player with a wired connection. Portable carry. The Bluetooth speaker, tear-resistant shoulder strap for easy portability, and the lightweight size is designed for carry or hang it anywhere. Its powerful sound quality promises to keep the party going no matter where you are. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.